The Hidden Fortune in Your Jamaican Home. Discovering Wealth Where You Least Expect It by Jamaica Homes. Published on September 22nd, 2025. Each morning in Jamaica begins with light that feels like promise. The rising sun over the blue mountains, the breeze coming in off the Caribbean Sea. It all reminds us that life here, even with its challenges, is a blessing. And in much the same way that we wake grateful for another day, many homeowners don't realize they already rise each morning with wealth quietly growing in the background. Your home, the place where you laugh, gather, and rest, is also the place where you've been building equity, sometimes without even realizing it. That silent, patient growth may well make you feel, in hindsight, like the richest man in Babylon, even if you didn't notice it along the way. Owning a home isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about building a foundation for your future wealth. Dean Jones, founder of Jamaica Homes and realtor associate at Coldwell Banker Jamaica Realty. What is home equity? Equity is the wealth hidden within your walls. It's the difference between your home's current market value and what you still owe on your mortgage. Imagine this. Your home in St. Andrew, perched on a hill with a clear view of the city lights, is valued at JMD 75 million. You still owe JMD 30 million. That leaves you with JMD 45 million in equity. That's not just a number. It's the result of years of steady repayment and rising values. Wealth built while you were busy raising children, working long days, or tending your garden. Don't wait for the market to tell you your worth. Discover it yourself, and then make it work for you. Dean Jones. Why your home's value likely grew more than you realize. 1. The blessing of rising property values. Just as each sunrise brings a new beginning, property values in Jamaica have been rising quietly across the island. Kingston, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Mandeville, and Spanish Town have all seen growth. Some dramatic, some steady, but all meaningful. Even if there are dips or plateaus in the market, the longer you've owned your home, the more likely it is that your equity has increased significantly. It's like lifting your eyes to the hills each evening. You may have faced the day's struggles, but the perspective from the hilltop shows you just how far you've come. Wealth doesn't always knock on your door. Sometimes it grows quietly in your living room. Dean Jones. 2. Staying longer, building more. In Jamaica, families often stay in their homes for decades. We pass them on, improve them bit by bit, and create spaces that reflect who we are. And with every year, mortgage payments reduce what we owe, while property values climb higher. Think of it like stretching your hands as far as you can. You might not feel the gain in a single moment, but over time, the reach is extraordinary. Each improvement, whether it's a modernized kitchen in Montego Bay, a hurricane-resistant roof in Portland, or a new veranda in Mandeville, adds to the wealth your home carries. Your home is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience pays in bricks and dollars. Dean Jones. Knowing your true value. Many homeowners rely on guesswork. Me think me house worth about so much. But gut feelings are for buying fruit at Coronation Market, not for assessing millions in property value. A professional valuation is essential. Trained real estate professionals don't just look at size and location. They account for your home's features, neighborhood demand, and unique qualities. That seaside view, the garden with tropical blooms, or proximity to a planned highway, all of these can significantly affect value. And just as you pause at dawn to appreciate the sun rising, a professional valuation allows you to see clearly what blessings your home has been quietly storing for you. Unlocking your equity. What can be done? Equity is not just wealth on paper. It's a blessing in action, a tool that can be used in powerful ways. 1. Renovate and reinvest. You can put equity to work right where you are. Renovate your kitchen. Add a solar system, expand your veranda, or create a rental space. Each thoughtful improvement increases the lifestyle value for you now and raises the financial value for the future. Number 2, step into your dream home. Your equity can serve as a down payment or even purchase your next home outright. That move might take you from a starter home in Spanish Town to a hillside sanctuary in Stony Hill, or from a city townhouse to a coastal villa in Ocho Rios. Equity isn't just money, it's the key to your next dream. Waiting patiently behind your front door. Dean Jones. 3. Fund your business dreams. Equity can also give life to ideas. Many Jamaicans dream of starting a cafe, a guest house, or an agribusiness. With access to your home's equity, those dreams become attainable. Like following your heart when you feel lost, equity can guide you back to opportunities that align with your purpose. 4. Plan for family and future. Equity can cover your children's education, supplement your retirement, or act as a cushion in uncertain times. In a land where family is central, having this safety net is like raising your hands to the sky. It offers reassurance, hope, and the freedom to live well. A home without equity is like a car without fuel. It looks good, but it won't get you far. Dean Jones. Common misunderstandings. Equity only matters if I have a big mortgage. Wrong. Even modest homes build significant equity over time. Values don't rise much in Jamaica. They do, often steadily, sometimes surprisingly. I can't access my equity unless I sell. You can, through refinancing, equity loans, or creative partnerships. Why guidance matters. Jamaica's property market is unique. Zoning, hurricane codes, and title processes all affect your ability to unlock equity. That's why expert advice is vital. It's a bit like staring at the sun each morning. You know it's powerful, but without the right perspective, you can't fully appreciate its light. The bottom line: your home in Jamaica is not just shelter. It's a growing, breathing asset, a partner in your life's journey. It rises each day with you, quietly building equity. And when evening comes, you can look to the hills, lift your hands wide, and know you are blessed. Just as the song reminds us, there are moments when we may feel lost or far from home. But our houses, our investments, remind us that we've already built something lasting. We've already laid the foundation for the future. So take stock of your equity. Let it inspire gratitude for what you've achieved, and let it fuel the dreams yet to come. Because here in Jamaica, our homes are not just structures. They are silent testimonies of perseverance, blessings, and the wealth we've been nurturing all along.